Question number 7. There is a circular path around a sport field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? It can be observed that Ravi takes lesser time than Sonia for completing one round of circular path. As they are going in the same direction, they will meet again at the same time when Ravi will have completed one round of that circular path with respect to Sonia, and the total time taken for completing this one round of circular path will be the LCM of the time taken by Sonia and Ravi for completing one round of circular path respectively. LCM of 18 minutes and 12 minutes is like this. We can write 18 as in the form of factors 2 into 3 into 3, and for 12 we can write it 2 into 2 into 3. Now the LCM of 12 and 13 will be here. 18 can be written as like this, 3 raised to power 2, and 12 can be written like this, 2 raised to power 2 into 3. So LCM will be 3 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 2. So we'll get LCM will be equals to 4 into 9 or 36. Clear? Therefore, Ravi and Sonia will meet together at the steady. So LCM will be equals to 36. Okay. Therefore, Ravi and Sonia will meet together at the starting point after 36 minutes.